Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be breaking down the old Johnson on the crestliner, see what exactly is wrong with it. Let's get to it.
Ooh. Yeah. That's not snap-on. Oh well. Ooh, hot. Ooh. This is an old motor. Silly me. Probably a 3/8. Yeah. Oh wow, those weren't even tight. Huh. I wonder if someone's been in this motor before. Or had the coils off, at least. Alright. Alright. Whoa, where you going, dude? Oh, we are. Oh, that's like stuck on her. Alright, we will not force that. I'd say this is my first time really working on an outboard power stroke. I normally do like motorcycle rebuilds and like Ford stuff. So this is my first time really tearing into a power head, but I'm assuming it can't be much different than a two-stroke dirt bike motor. Like I got rebuilt the Kt.1 300, which wasn't too bad. Although their motor's a little different than like the Japanese two-strokes, but you know, all two-strokes are pretty similar. Alright, pull this out of the way. Oh, got our spark plugs. Let's shut these up here for now. Don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like... Huh. I'm gonna break it. I wonder if I need to take this off. Try to get that off, I'd assume, so. Alright. Very nice. 6 point. Make sure to use your 6 points on your 6-point heads. 12 points might strip it out. Oh, I strip it out. Oh no, that's just completely loose. I thought I was just stripping it. Wow. Look how loose those are. I mean, I'm using the head of the wrench, and that's really suspicious. Makes me wonder if someone hasn't been in here before, because I mean, I don't know how tight those are supposed to be, but I mean, I could probably, I don't even know. They're not very big, but, oh, door's swinging open on. Alright. But yeah, I'm honestly amazed how easy all these are coming out of there. It's pretty insane. Huh. I don't know. These things just smell so bad. But yeah, these lower two cylinders had pretty bad feel, like got slop. I'll show it to you when I get this head off, hopefully. Show you guys. What's weird is they still have good compression though. Like that one was at 90. Well, I don't know if it's good, but you know, it should be, like my experience, 60 psi is like the lowest that a two-stroke will really want to run. But these ones had like, the top ones were like 120, and this one was like these were like 90, but this one came up to 100, and this one came up to I think it came up to like 110. So I don't know. It's just, I find it odd. Most of the time you get like piston slap on the two-stroke dirt bikes. I mean, they just, that's the end for them.
We'll see. La la. I see nothing. I don't understand.
This is, huh.
Da-da-da. I don't want to like use a flathead.
I don't want to tear it up, but I'm not sure there's much other way.
There we go. Try to do it like that. That thing is not coming off there.
Well, I don't know what's going on there, but I'm going to use these and put them back in their spots. That way I don't lose them. Man. I'd probably put one in the way of a cylinder head bolt, and then I won't be able to take them out.
The process.
Taking these things off.
Huh.
Warp the head or anything. Well, I'll try starting in the middle, I guess.
That. Oh wow, what the heck?
I think someone's been in this motor before. There's just no way. These things are coming loose like way too easy. Like, well.
Never mind. Ooh, I know it's not, that's like...
That's probably like, oh, I don't know. I've never worked on outboard, but that's like probably 20 foot-pounds. That's like super like, light. Like my dirt bikes take like more than that. That's like their minimum. And then you got their torque to yields. You got to do like a whole 180. Huh. I guess we'll see.
Well, I guess. What was that? I don't know. How? That one's tighter. Go over here. Ow.
Yeah, move the boat to the little overhang here, so that way I'm not getting totally roasted in the sun. It is like 100 degrees out again today. So,
Oh man, this is just... Oh, there we go. Oh my.
try to get these head bolts out of here. I wonder if these are reusable or not. There's like a lot of the engines I've been doing nowadays, like the newer dirt bike motors, they all use torque to yield stuff, so your head bolts are one good use.
I mean, these things are just like...
I don't know much about motors, but I'd say this one's never touched salt or at least, or whatever. I mean, this is like greased up and it's like not even rusty or corroded. It's pretty impressive. boat over there. I'll be doing a video on it soon. Very interesting little boat. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet. If someone can comment on this video and tell me what that is, I'll be very surprised, because honestly when we picked it up I didn't even know what it was, but I'm also not a crazy boat person either, so. Although I feel like we are now, we've got 3 of them now. Oh man. Oh, we'll just try getting a hole. Oh, wow. That thing came right off of there. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're getting some scoring. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh, wow, these are all pretty loose. Bring up to the top. Oh, yeah. Let's see. It's a little wore out. Yeah. It looks like someone went in here.
How's it look?
Looks alright. It's got some scoring definitely up in the cylinders. Our pistons aren't flat like that one dude's.
Yeah. Well, they're not all torn up though. That's a little rough.
That's just carbon building up on it.
Yeah, but no, they're pretty good shape.
This one's a little tore up on the cylinder. Spin around this way. Oh, that's nice. There you go.
Oh yeah, there's some fair scoring on the sides there.
Yeah.
And maybe just from it slapping around.
Yeah. Well, you know, there's no like.
No peppering in the top, so the crank probably alright.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
got a lot of carbon, I think. I don't know how to. I don't know what this wire does. Very obnoxious. Driving me crazy. I don't want to break it. Alright, there's a little sensor doodle in there. I'm gonna get that out of there. Wow, that thing does not look like it wants to come out of there.
Alright. Well, got the head off, and we see that we have some good piston slap. You know what's crazy? This thing has really good compression. Oh, really good, but good compression in my book. I can't believe that it's got piston slap this bad.
Kind of crazy. There we go. Get out of there. Yeah, it's a little sensor. Wonder if I can. No, it's not gonna fit through. Great. Well, at least this is lighter. I can get a head out of there. There we are. Cylinder head. Great.
Yes, this is why we pulled the motor apart though, because she's pretty wore out. Yeah, she's gonna need a rebuild. Alright, so we've got both the heads off the 90 horsepower Johnson, and on the left side of the motor, or the passenger side of the boat, this is the main source of our noise we were hearing that I showed you in the end of the last video. I mean, look at that. This cylinder still had 110 psi compression, which is pretty insane. And then the one above it, it's actually pretty tight. It's still got a little wiggle. Check this bottom one. The bottom ones were the worst by far, for sure. See that? I got a little jiggle to it. And this one's got a little bit of wiggle to it as well. Not 100% sure what our plan is now, because this cylinder's got pretty good scoring in there, along with even the upper cylinder here. It's got pretty good scoring, or maybe piston transfer. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm not sure if we're going to try to get this power head cleaned out and get some new pistons, or bored out I should say, or if we're going to go with try to find a cheap power head on like the marketplace and see, because I'm not sure, you know, it's a motor, it's probably like, it's an 89, so it's 30 something years old now, 33 years old, and I just don't know if it's worth putting like $1,000 in, because the pistons are like $100 a piece. Then the machine shop work and the gaskets, it's like, you know, I mean the boat was $300, but you know, if I could find a good power head for like $200 or something that doesn't need a, you know, a lot of work and will run for a few years, and that's solid enough for me, I think. I don't know though, we'll see. You know, I might end up going because I mean, if we do get it, you know, redone, then you know, you'll have a brand new motor pretty much, and then you won't have to worry about it for a long, long time. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.